Today, I'm going to show you the Geek Gear Wizardry monthly subscription box for March 2019. So those of you who have unboxed these with me before know that if there's any house-related items in here, they will be Ravenclaw. And let's go ahead and get into it. So last month, my box came really late, and then I was out of town, so I didn't get a chance to film mine before everybody and their brother had already posted theirs. So I just felt like, there's no point in me filming it. So I really enjoyed last month's box, so I'm super excited to get into this month's box. As most of you may know, they did go through and change some of their stuff, so they're trying to make a little bit more of the handmade personal touches. They're really up in their game on some of the packaging. They've also made all the packaging eco-friendly, so it's all recyclable materials, things like that. So let's go ahead and get into this. I know there were a couple hints for this month, so I'm excited to see what we got. Ooh. And right on the top, we have our shirt. So for those of you who, again, have been with me before, know that there's almost always a shirt in these boxes, and there's always some kind of piece of art. So this month's shirt looks like chocolate frog. Oh, it is. It's so cute. So I love that they have the chocolate frog, and they have some like sugar quills behind it, and it's got the cute little box design. But then they've incorporated other little hidden Harry Potter things. Like they've got the little lightning bolts down here. Super cute. I actually like this. And again, I think we got a white shirt a couple months ago. We really don't get that many white shirts from them, so I'm excited to have another white shirt. And I really like this blue-purple design with the yellow. Yeah, it's really cute. Okay, I'm down with that. So good start to the box. Ooh, let's see what this is. This is super cute packaging. Okay, so up here, it says Magical Treats. And then it says Professor's Sherbet Lemons. Ooh, so are these... There was a Honeydukes hint, so I'm thinking that's where, like, the chocolate frog shirt came in. And I'm assuming... Yeah, oh, cool. So these are Dumbledore's favorite treat. These are Sherbet Lemons. Super cool. I'm excited about that. Okay. Packaging is super cute, so let's move on. Ooh, this looks like it's chocolate frog packaging, but it's longer. And this one says chocolate frogs. Okay. So maybe they incorporated some more wizarding treats in here. Ooh, they did. Oh, they're so cute. Little baby chocolate frogs. We'll have to try those and see if they're good. I'm sure they will be. Okay, cool. I like that we got something different. We really haven't gotten food or treats from them before. We've gotten the recipes and things to make the treats, but we've never actually gotten the treats from them. So that's exciting. Magical potted creature. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like little itty bitty pots on here. Okay, I'm super excited because another hint was a picture of Professor Sprout with a Mandrake. So, oh, it says handle with care up here. All right, and it also says, warning, whenever this plant is unearthed, it screams. The scream of this plant, when it is fully grown, will kill any person who hears it, but a young plant screams will usually only knock a person out for several hours. It's advised when handling this plant that you wear adequate ear protection. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is definitely a Mandrake of some sort, or something Mandrake related. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. I think it is a little Mandrake. Let me get it out. Let me get it out. Okay. Let me try to back this up so you guys can see it. It is so definitely a Mandrake. Oh. Okay. He's so cute. All right, that's awesome. Definitely get an A+ on this one, Geek Gear. Good job, guys. Adorable. I love all the little detail on him. Okay, so that's awesome. And it's a good size. I mean, he could sit in my hand. So, yeah. Awesome. That's really cute. I mean, the pot's really nothing, but super cute. Okay, Geek Gear. You guys are definitely stepping it up. Oh, we got another little box. And this one says, oh, a Wizardry Tea strainer. Okay, so I actually put feedback in, and I think I said this in the last one. They're starting to put the loose leaf teas in these boxes, and I don't have a tea strainer. And no offense, I'm not going to go out and buy one because I don't really drink tea that often. But if they're going to put them in these boxes, I had said, hey, give us a tea strainer and maybe make it something magical. So I don't know if they would like put like a charm on it or something that makes it wizardry. So let's see. Oh, they made it house colors. And it has a little owl on the bottom. Hang on, let me get this to focus a little better for you guys. Okay. Super cute. I know a tea strainer is no big deal, especially for those of you who are not in the United States, but I'm excited that it's more than just a regular old tea strainer. And they've got the little owl and house color details on there. Okay, that's super cool. I'm very excited because now I feel like I can try the teas more easily. So see, they've got all these biodegradable paper pieces in here, so that's exciting. Okay, so speaking of the tea, so last month's tea was a chocolate frog tea, and it smells delicious. So now I'm super excited that I can try it since I have the tea strainer. And this one is divination tea. So this one is an Earl Grey with lavender infusion. All right. Not usually a huge lavender fan, but I do like an Earl Grey. So yeah, we'll give this a go. Let me open this up so we can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so let me see if I can get this in here so you guys can see. It's really pretty, and it's got some like blue pieces in there as well, which almost look like you know, I don't think that's the lavender, but maybe it is. It smells good. It smells like a really good Earl Grey with the lavender. So that's exciting, and I love the packaging they put on these. It's really nice. All right, cool. All right, we'll put this off to the side. What's this? Oh, it's so cute. So it's a cute little chocolate frog piece of art, and it's signed. And I know this artist has made several things for Geek Gear before, and I know we've gotten a couple other signed prints. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Oh, they're talking about the limited edition box in this. And there is a new gift box that I think comes with an acceptance letter. And it looks like it comes with treats. Okay, so some of the treats we got today, it looks like come in this little Hogwarts acceptance box, which that would be so cute for someone who turns 11. So they get their acceptance letter and some wizarding treats. So super cute. And I love the packaging on that. All right, so they had said one of the things that they were going to do was put a scratch-off card in here where you could get free things or percents off or something like that. So let's go ahead and scratch mine and see what I get. Let's see, I'll just use a pair of scissors here. Let's see, what does this say? No win, better luck next time. So, okay, that's cool. Hey, at least it gives you a shot, so that's fun. All right, so it looks like we have a house piece of art in here, which I love the chocolate frog one. I really didn't need another piece of art, but that's okay. I can't say I'm a huge fan of this piece. I know they've done this style of design before on, they did a banner and a couple other things. I think they did some placemats. I'm not really a huge fan of that, but it is a Geek Gear exclusive, and yeah, it's not bad. I probably won't hang this, but I might be able to give that away to someone who would love it. So, all right, let's get into this. And oh, it says, we forgot to put this beautiful signed artwork by Paul Toner on our leaflet. We apologize. Oh, okay, so we got the piece. They just didn't get a chance to put his artwork on the cheat sheet. So let's see. So we got the exclusive Magical Sweets t-shirt, the exclusive Divination tea, the exclusive House tea strainer, the potted plant figure, which is of course our Mandrake, the chocolate frogs, the Dumbledore sherbet lemons, and then the licensed Hogwarts house print. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited about that. And next month's box hint is Harry's scar, which is the lightning bolt. So I'm interested to see what they do with that. And then they have the YouTube spotlight as Danny Jazz. And I have seen some of their videos before, and go give them some love. She's super sweet. So, all right. I'm digging this box. I actually really like that they have the sweets in there, and I'm excited to try them. And I love this little baby Mandrake. He's super cute. I may have to go in and make him a little less shiny, but that's just me. So I may do that. And I do love this chocolate frog signed print. And I liked the shirt. So yeah, I liked a lot of the things, and I'm excited that they gave us a tea strainer so I can actually try the tea. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.